Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We are going to keep this job lead very quick because I'm pretty sure some of you have probably already seen it shared, but I didn't want anybody to miss out just because this is a non-phone chat position. The big online furniture retailer Wayfair is hiring a virtual inbound chat sales agent. Now, this is remote for the United States only. They do note that this is a sales role, not a customer service role. It is a full-time position. They are paying $15.50 an hour, plus they give monthly bonuses. They do require you to work weekends and evenings, but they supply all the computer equipment for you. So this is a non-phone website chat. You'll communicate with the customers via digital chat software, demonstrating excellent written communication. You'll be an expert with the passion for selling to explore their products and influence the customer's confidence to buy that product from Wayfair. You'll meet and exceed all targets for revenue, close rate, and customer satisfaction, along with quality assurance. You are going to be the voice of Wayfair, maintaining professionalism during all of your interactions and trying to build that trust and customer loyalty. You'll have to be able to navigate multiple software applications at the same time and work in a fast-paced environment. But if this sounds like something that you're interested in, you need a dedicated workspace in your house free of distractions for your shift. You need to be proficient in the English language, have 2 years of some kind of sales or service experience, they have the ability to type 45 words per minute, and be comfortable learning multiple software applications. And of course, if you're interested in putting that application in, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific down below in the comments that you are looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.